Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to block all adult websites in Google Chrome on Windows PC or laptop. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon on the right, and you just need to scroll down and select settings. On left side you just need to select the privacy and security. On right side scroll down and select security. In here scroll down and you just need to turn on the use secure DNS option over here, and after that select a DNS provider, click on the drop down and select clean browsing family filter, select it. After selecting this option, just close it off the Google Chrome and reopen it, and now we can check it's actually working or not guys. To check that you just need to search any sites you want to block. As you can see there is no results coming up in these sites. As you can see results hidden by safe search. I will show you one another search as well. As you can see guys, it's actually working, and that's how you block all adult websites in Google Chrome. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.